It starts with a whisper through the pine trees, a memory in the soil, your grandfather's farm, your auntie's old home, a patch of land that holds stories, struggle, and strength. But now, because of heirs property, it's at risk of being lost forever. Heirs property happens when a loved one passes away without a will. Their land or home is passed down to all the heirs together. That sounds fair, until you realize no one has a clear title, no one can sell it, no one can get a loan, and anyone can force a sale. Meet the Jenkins family. Their granddaddy farmed sweet potatoes on 20 acres in Mississippi for over 40 years. After he passed, the land was split between his 7 children, then 19 grandchildren, and eventually 34 great-grandchildren. Nobody filed probate, nobody knew how. Then came a developer, found one distant cousin willing to sell their share. A court-approved partition sale followed. That land gone. For a fraction of its value, family torn apart. Heirs property is one of the leading causes of land loss among African American families. Over 90% of Black landowners lost their property this way in the 20th century. It matters because it's not just dirt, it's legacy, its roots, its wealth, its home. But there is another way. The Wilsons from South Carolina had land passed down since 1910. Instead of letting it slip away, they got organized. They found an attorney. They gathered birth certificates, death records, deeds, and family agreements. They filed probate. They created a family land limited liability company. Now they lease part of the land to a solar company and use the income for scholarships for future generations. What I wish I knew, that keeping family land safe starts long before there's a crisis. Here's how to get ahead together. You can protect your family's property starting right now. It's all about unity, education, and the right tools for the job. First, take your free Heirs Property Probate Readiness Assessment. It helps you spot risks before they become problems. Next, grab the Family Home and Land Survival Checklist, 23 steps to make sure nothing falls through the cracks. And don't forget the Legal Readiness Report Template to keep everyone on the same page. Don't just assume someone else is handling it. Start the conversation and lead the way. The sooner you prepare, the better your chance of keeping your land in the family for generations to come. Ready to take the first step? Your great-grandmother's prayers didn't die with her. They live on. In every acre, in every tree, in every step you take to preserve what she left behind. Don't let Heirs Property steal your legacy. Be the generation that fights to keep the land, home, and the family together. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your family. Preserve your legacy. Your ancestors fought hard to give you this inheritance. Now it's your turn to protect it. Take the first step today so future generations will thank you tomorrow. Please note, legal procedures and documentation requirements for resolving heirs property issues may vary by jurisdiction. Attorneys in your state may require additional or different information than what is presented in this video. This content is intended for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. For specific guidance, please consult a licensed attorney in your state.